This is the fifth part of chapter 24, volume and surface area of solids, and we are continuing exercise 24b. We'll start with question number 7. The sum of the radius of the base and the height of a solid cylinder is 37 meter. If the total surface area of the cylinder is 1628 meters square, find its volume. So sum of the radius of the base and height of a solid cylinder is equal to 37 meter. So the expression can be written as r plus 7 equals to 37. Let this be equation 1. So total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 1628 meters square. So we can write the formula over here, that is 2 pi r into r plus h equals to 1628. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 37, because r plus h is 37. So that we have taken from the first equation, which is equal to 1628. So from here we can find out the value of r. So r equals to 1628 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 37. Therefore r is equal to 7 meter. So now putting the value of r equals to 7 meter in equation 1. So h equals to 37 minus 7 equals to 30 meter. Therefore, volume of the solid cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7 into h is 30. So on solving this, we'll get the volume as 4620 meter cube. Question number 9. A swimming pool 70 meter into 44 meter into 3 meter is filled by water issuing from a pipe of diameter 35 centimeter at 6 meter per second. How many hours does it take to fill the pool? So let us first find out the volume of the swimming pool. So the volume of the swimming pool is equals to 70 meter. So let us convert this into centimeter. So 70 into 100 into 44 meter, again converting into centimeters, so 44 into 100 into 3 meter, so converting it into centimeters, so 3 into 100. So that's equal to 7000 into 4400 or 4400 into 300 centimeter cube. Next, radius of the cylindrical pipe is given as 35 by 2 centimeter. So the diameter was given as 35 centimeter, so the radius will be 35 by 2. So height of the pipe is equal to length of the pipe, which is equals to 6 meter. So we can again convert this into centimeter. So 6 into 100 is 600 centimeter. So volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 second is pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r square, 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into h is 600. So on solving this, we'll get the answer as 5,77,500 centimeter cube. So time taken to fill the pool is equal to volume of the swimming pool divided by volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 second. So 7,000 into 4,400 into 300 divided by 5,77,500, which is equal to 16,000 seconds. Next, converting this time into hours. So 16,000, since it was in seconds, we are converting it into hours. So 16,000 divided by 3,600. So that is 40 by 9 hours or 44 by 9 hours. Question number 10. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug up and the earth from digging is spread evenly to form a platform 22 meter into 14 meter. Determine the height of the platform. So height of the well equals to 20 meter. Radius of the well equals to 7 by 2 meter. So volume of the well is equals to volume of the cylinder. That is pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. That is 770 meter cube. Let the height of the platform be h meter. So volume of the platform is equal to 22 into 14 into h meter cube. So according to the question, volume of the platform equals to volume of the well, that is 22 into 14 into h equals to 770. Therefore, h equals to 770 divided by 22 into 14. Therefore, the value of h is 2.5 meter. Question number 11. A well with 10 meter inside diameter is dug 8.4 meter deep. Earth taken out of it is spread all around it to a width of 7.5 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So radius of a well is 10 by 2 meter, that is 5 meter. Height of the well is equals to 8.4 meter. So volume of the well is pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 8.4, which is 660 meter cube. An embankment with a width of 7.5 meter will have outer radius, that is capital R. So 5 is the radius plus width, that is 5 plus 7.5, which is 12.5 meter. The inner radius will be 5 meter, but we are representing the inner radius with small r. So let the height of the embankment be h meter. So volume of the embankment is equals to pi r square h minus, that is pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h, which is equals to pi h is common. We can take pi h common, and inside we can write capital R square minus small r square. So now let us write the values in the respective places, that is 22 by 7 into height, that is h, into 12.5 square minus 5 square. So 22 by 7 into h into, in the bracket, we are writing it as 17.5 into 7.5. So we have taken this as a plus b into a minus b, since a square minus b square was given. So we have applied the formula a plus b, a minus b, and we have written in the multiplication form. So according to the question, volume of the embankment is equals to volume of the well, that is 22 by 7 into 17.5 into 7.5 into h is equals to 660. Therefore, h equals to 660 into 7 into 10 into 10 divided by 22 into 175 into 75. That is, removing the decimals, we have multiplied 10 over here. Therefore, the value of h is 1.6 meter. So that's it for this part. Thank you for watching.